personal space. Everybody has their own boundaries, but we wondered if there would be a different limit in different parts of the country. I visited malls in New York, Georgia, and Arizona to test how close is too close. First experiment, the food court. There are plenty of tables to choose from, so what happens when a total stranger, me, sits right next to you?
So you're not leaving because of me, are you?
No.
Do you guys mind if I sit here? They're deserting me.
Hi. Anybody sitting here?
This New Yorker could not get away from me fast enough. But in Georgia, it's a different story.
Did I invade your space?
No, we're pretty friendly.
And in Arizona?
Because I figured the place is full. Where are you going to go?
Where are you gonna sit?
Right.
So
I didn't.
Even though you saw empty tables there, empty table
I
there.
didn't look over there.
Arizona's tally? 75% said I did not invade their space. And down south, 100% of the people tested said, y'all come closer, you hear? But in New York, they were not afraid to give their opinion.
Sit down right in the middle of somebody's conversation. It isn't just an invasion of space, it's a lack of consideration and respect.
If you're wondering what the tape is for, each of these marks defines what psychologists call the different boundaries of personal space. If I'm standing here and you're over here on the far one, that's 5 feet. That's public space. If I move here, 2 feet away from you, now I'm in your personal space. And 1 step closer, 6 inches away from you, I'm in your intimate space.
Do you buy into this whole global warming thing?
We told people I was interviewing them on global warming. But as I moved from public to personal to intimate space, we measured the spot where they finally felt it was too hot to handle.
What do you think? 12, 13 inches apart? About 30 and a half. 18 inches apart?
Arizona's comfort zone levels were as vast as the Grand Canyon, ranging from 10 to 31 inches. But the average personal space for Arizonians is 20 inches.
You know, I have this philosophy. If you grow up in a crowded area, say New York City, space is very important. If you grow up in Georgia, space is not quite as important because it's not invaded as much.
So is she right? The average for Georgia was unanimously a rather close 10 inches. And as for New York,
Am I in your personal space right now?
Yeah, really.
Yeah,
you are.
I am. What do you think, 27 inches? You got big boundaries.
those in the Big Apple need big space. The average, 25.5 inches.
Sorry, am I bothering you?
You're stepping in my space.